If you want to learn how you can start an important document in Google Docs, then this video tutorial is for you. So I'm on the Google Doc file, and let's say I want to start this file. So all I need to do is to just come here to the icon here which says star, right? So I'm just going to click on it, and it has changed to blue, right? It has changed to blue. So I've successfully started this document, and I'm going to show you how you can find this start document in from your dashboard, right? So I'll come here and I'll type docs.google.com. I'll click enter, and I'm on my dashboard. So for me to find the document, this document that I just typed right here, come to my dashboard, and I'll click on open file picker. There'll be a modal that will pops up, and I will navigate to the stage menu or tab here. And once I do that, I can find that document here. This is a document that I just stayed, Google Docs, right? So this is basically how you state a document in Google Docs, and it is very applicable when it comes to organizing your document. Thank you. If you find this video valuable, ensure you subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.